Alright guys, so with very little time to spare, and I cut some cues off the firing system, I'm going to run you right through it right away. Got 3 Maddox Radiuses at once for the opener. That's 189 shots. Then we're going to do Mammoth Brocade, All Dominator, Mammoth Crackle, Mammoth Peony, Star Spangled Mammoth. One at a time. Then we're going to come over here to the Cody Bees, Positive Pyro, with a 9-shot. Let's see here. So they're 9-shot strobe. Got 2 prime rains. We're doing 5 slice cakes, one at a time. And we got an 8th Wonder. I'm hand firing that. Got a Pyro Candy, hand firing that. Doing some single hand firing on some shells. And then right before the finale, we're gonna let 4 Spider Nebulas rip. A lot of people haven't seen these yet. These are new for this year. So we're gonna do 4 at once. And then back here for the finale, we got another Cody B. We got 40 Oxbox 60-gram shells. And then we got 6 shells on the end here. 4 of them are salutes and 2 5-inch. So it's just a small little Class C show, guys. I'm rolling solo. My wife helped me. Got the Cobra system. It's all, everything's good. I checked all the continuity. Ready to rip. Got the 18M right now. So she's ready to rock and roll, guys. Just gotta put in the key and let her rip. About 45 minutes away from showtime. Alright. Yep, I'll take you up to the remote. Got the 18R2. Gonna do a review for that here, coming up soon. But no time, a lot of shows back to back. Got the 18R2 right there with the hard case. Gonna start getting things ready here pretty soon. So, not a bad little shoot site. Plenty of room. Was supposed to do it at a pond, ended up doing it here. So, alright guys,